Hey guys, Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra looking at too much different because the Galaxy S24 Ultra come with lot of changes and create a new history in the mobile phone market. We also know that the Samsung S24 Ultra come with the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chipset and the CPU Geekbench record already rigged. The Geekbench 6 A-score compared the test A-score a whopping 15,000 points and change. That's like 6,000 points more than Galaxy S23 Ultra. In a simple terms, the Galaxy S24 Ultra is packing a mind-blowing 60% improvement in the graphics over the Galaxy S23 Ultra, and another leak the Antutu showing the 40% improvement. By the way, this is just a regular benchmark of the 8 Gen 3 chipset, and we already know that the Samsung going to make a custom chipset for the latest S24 series, and of course this person have a better score. So upcoming S24 Ultra getting a 50% improvement in the graphics, and that's massive for a year-over-year update. And also the 8 Gen come with super efficient. Rumor also say that it's have 30% more efficient than Apple A17 Pro in the iPhone 15 Pro and Pro Max. So next generation S24 Ultra not only get better performance but also get a better battery life. Let's now talk about the S24 Ultra looks. So as you can see that design wise the S24 Ultra and S23 Ultra is too much similar. The big changes, the phone come with a flat display and some things bezel, but the phone is completely not a flat, it have a rounded corner edges, and the camera lens is going to be bigger. Now let's talk about the S24 and S24 Plus. They have a flat display, flat frame, and the phone look like too much similar to the iPhone 14 Pro and iPhone 15. Plus the camera lenses on the S24 Plus are getting little bigger. Finally, Samsung launched the new Exynos 2400 chipset, who is debut with S24 series, and Samsung going to make a two different processor for the Galaxy S24 series. For the global market, Samsung going to use Exynos 2400 chipset. US and Canada market, Samsung using the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor. Samsung also claimed that Exynos 2400 come with 70% faster CPU, 70% faster CPU with RDNA3 GPU. And I am already making a dedicated video about the Exynos 2400, and I am clearly explain all the details Exynos 2400. So that's all about the Galaxy S24 Ultra biggest news.